Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can manage third-party package on Slackware, essentially with Sbopkg, which is what I use to manage third-party packages on Slackware. I wrote a wrapper script to call up the Sbopkg with different flag to perform different action. Not too big, not too complicated, pretty ordinary stuff. So in this video I'm going to show you how I manage third-party package essentially from Slackbuild. Slackbuild is a place where which hosting the packages which is not comes along with the default Slackware package in default Slackware repository. Okay, so without further ado, let me get into a terminal, and I think I zoom enough to see. If I do more zoom, it will blur, simply messed up the output. Okay, so I can go this far. So you have to be root to run this, because we are essentially going to delve with the package system, whether it's third party or native. It has to deal with the overall system. That's why we need a super user privilege. So that's what I did, just to become a super user. Now, as I mentioned again and again, I give my commands a memorable name so I can use it efficiently. Say for instance, I have a number of third-party packages, which is a Sbopkg from Slackbuild installed in my system. I need to find it out, the whether those packages need updates or not. Okay, so to do that, I wrote a simple Sbopkg. See, the name is Sbopkg list update. No fancy stuff. The command itself says. So what I wanted to see, I wanted to see the third-party package I have already installed through Sbopkg in my system. I want to see whether the updates are available or not. Just press enter. It is cross-checking with the Slackbuild repo that whether the package what I have in my system needs update or not. So it will enlist you. Just give me a second. Okay, so this is how it looked like. It went out and find out what is the update is required. So if you go up, you see it find out the potential update of the particular package which I have in my system. Okay, so you can easily see that. So it will easy for you to look in, and you can choose out, or you can choose whatever the package you want to install. Okay, so what is the code? It's simple. As I mentioned, command v Sbopkg list update. If I type it correctly, see, it's just okay. So I missed the basically is Sbopkg -c. That is the command it run. I give it a memorable name because it will be easier for me to remember than this particular command. Okay, so what that C flag do, as you show in the terminal. So man Sbopkg. So if I go here, where is that? Here it is. You see, it simply tell you this is what you saw a few seconds back on the terminal. Display a list of installed Sbopkgs and potential updates. As simple as that. Okay, all right. So the next thing is that if I wanted to install something from third-party repo through Sbopkg, essentially from Slack build. So all I have to do, again, I have written a wrapper and give it a memorable name, Slackpkg install. You can see, as simple as that, Slackpkg install. If I press enter, it will give you a warning or information that you are supposed to supply a package name, okay, which should be installed. Now if I do the same Slackpkg install and give any random package name, Sbopkg, see, it find out the package is available on Slack build, okay. So it is ready for down. If I press yes, it will go ahead and build the package and install the package in a system, okay. This is as simple as that, okay. So I don't need this package, so I'm going to decline it. So what the code look like now, let me show you rather. Slackpkg install. See, this is the code run behind that command, Slackpkg install. It simply take an argument. As you see, I didn't give an argument, so it spit out this printf statement that you are supposed to supply a package name. You saw it in the first time, right? So I assigned a variable Sbopkg I means to hyphen I is basically for installing, hyphen G is basically for querying the package Sbopkg in the designated repository, which in my case is a Slack build, and it's simply fine if as you saw, if it find the package, it will go ahead on your prompt. If you say yes, to go ahead, build and install the package in your system. As simple as that. So this is pretty ordinary stuff. I just wrapped with a few line of rudimentary stuff with basically two commands, Sbopkg -i, Sbopkg -g. That's all. No rocket science. So on top of that, a month or two back, probably, I installed SlackpkgPlus, which is an additional utility to the default Slackpkg package manager. It essentially enhanced the Slackpkg capability to looking into a third-party package like Slack build, okay, or any other third-party package what you want to, and if the package is not available in default repository, it will search through the third-party repository you mention in the config file, and it will simply show you that. Let me give you a demonstration. Slackpkg search, and again I am showing random package USB top. So you can see USB top not in the default Slackware repository, but it is available from the Slack build repository, which is what I mentioned in the config file to search for. When I install SlackpkgPlus, I have to edit the config file to add the repository, which is Slack build version 15 Slack, to search through, and it found out the package in that particular repository, and it will instruct you what you are supposed to do. If you want to get this package, you need to download this package, okay. As simple as that. So it comes as a aid to SlackpkgPlus is an additional enhancement to searching capability of Slack default Slack package binary, okay. So you can do a lot of stuff which has already been written by some other people to tap it to make your experience on Slackware much smoother, uh, and bust the general myth that it's being difficult on a old distribution like this. It is not, basically. Okay, so I hope these little things will help your experience on Slackware much smoother, much pleasant. I hope this will be help some people. Thanks for watching.